name is Mrs. Ardner, and I'm the orchestra teacher here at Dunlap Valley Middle School. On behalf of the music department, this video is going to walk you through what both the young musicians in our building and parents will need to know about their music classes this school year. The first bit of information that's very important for both our in-person and remote learners is an information packet that the music department will be distributing to you. For those of you that have older students at Valley or returning students, this is similar to the information packet that we've distributed in the past. For our new 6th grade parents, welcome to our music family. All of the information that you'll need to know about your music courses can be found in this packet. The most important thing that you will want to know is how to get a hold of one of the 3 music teachers. Like I said, my name is Mrs. Ardner, and I'm responsible for all of the orchestra classes. Mrs. Seymour is responsible for all of the chorus classes. Mrs. Holloway is responsible for all of the band classes. In the music information packet, you will be able to find all of our email addresses along with a phone number of how to reach us in the event that you would need to talk to us in person. In the music information packet, which is several pages, at the end, you will find very detailed information for both our remote and in-person students. Earlier in the packet, things like how students are graded, what the expectations are for class are all outlined. For in-person students in particular, teachers have also gone through these expectations. The biggest thing for all of our students, whether you are learning at home remotely or whether we see you every other day here at school, you are going to want to make sure that you are regularly checking your Canvas tile for music. And that is very important because for all of the 3 teachers, we're big fans of posting the announcements because that is something that you will see right away when you pull up those pages. The other thing that's very important, especially for our 6th graders that are still getting into the habit of doing so, all students should be regularly checking their email. Email is the easiest way to get a hold of any of the 3 music teachers, and we regularly check and respond to both parent and student emails. So you will have noticed that I switched the background to display my Canvas tiles. The reason that I have shown you this is because students along the side here have the option of the dashboard and the courses. So sometimes we do have students that say that their Canvas tile for band, choir, or orchestra is not showing. However, they can always access it by going to courses. The reason that that's an important point to bring up to you is because we can't control what the students see on their dashboard. There's a portion of the settings that they have to select so that that Canvas tile for one of their music classes would automatically appear. They can always find any of their courses if they go to courses, and I'll show you when I pull up mine. It simply displays the list of anything that I have access to, whether or not it's actually showing on my dashboard. The other thing that's very important for the students to be checking is to be familiar with Canvas calendar and the announcements and assignments that we will post in Canvas. The reason, especially for the announcements, that is important is we are also using an online music platform to reach students this year. Now on my scene, you should see the background for Smart Music. Smart Music is an online learning software program that we are able to provide to the students this school year. The school district was generous to provide access to the Smart Music Premium for all music students in grades 6 through 12. The reason that this is huge, especially for this premium version, is students have access to a wide variety of free online sheet music. Smart Music was able to work with music publishing companies to kind of temporarily work around the copyright laws to be able to provide students with access to a huge online library. This includes things like scales, sight reading, warm-up exercises, but goes as far for, I know some of the vocalists, there's Hamilton songs in there. There are things listed for competition solos. You name it, it's in Smart Music. The thing that's very exciting about Smart Music that I've been telling all of my orchestra students this week, it's kind of like orchestra, band, or choir karaoke, but it's giving you some really awesome feedback. The program is designed to assess students on whether they are matching pitch and whether they are matching rhythm. So at the end, it does display a percentage of accuracy. The other really cool thing is that any one of the music teachers then can also listen to what the students have submitted for assignments. We're very excited that we were able to provide this to students this year. If you get a chance in particular, you can thank anyone who works in the curriculum department who helped facilitate this, or anyone at the district office, because they are the ones that really helped us get this ball rolling, and basically it's the reason that we already are able to provide this to students. In conclusion, if you have any questions about your child's music classes for this school year, please reach out to me, Mrs. Ardner, in regards to any orchestra classes, Mrs. Holloway for any band classes, and Mrs. Seymour for any of the chorus classes. We're looking so forward to making music with your students this year, even though it looks different than it has in the past. We encourage you to keep singing, to keep playing, and just keep enjoying music. We look forward to seeing you either in person or virtually soon. Take it easy. Bye.